get locals only.
Oh yeah. Get those love handles. Oh, hold it.
Love handles.
Beast, look at this surf wave. Dude, look at this thing. Oh!
Oh my gosh, that was like a real wave.
That was a real wave. Oh my God, that was a good wave. But first you don't succeed, try, and try again. Oh my God! Oh my. Look at this thing wedging into a rock. But there's no rocks inside of those rocks. And then you can go right there too. And then the only rocks you have to worry about are those ones. And you just gotta run past them, kind of. You're a horrible influence. Yeah. Taking Zach to all the hardest waves to skimboard. Oh no, I'm not even warmed up. Let's go. No.
What do you think? Is he got it?
No. Oh, it's because he didn't stretch. See, I'm gonna make my first wave because I just stretched.
Yeah, Zach, that's a good one.
Oh. Come on, come on, come on. No.
I don't know, I've been skimming a lot. And it's been like hard to skim sessions. A little bit harder than yesterday, Zachy. Whoa. Whoa. Go. Oh, that was good. Good morning.
Dude, Tyler was over it.
Oh.
I thought it was bigger, but I think it's smaller today.
There's sets that are definitely...
Dude, we saw two over here and I FaceTime Johnny.
Yeah.
Phenomenal. Fully make one.
Side, backside, siders.
What? Look at his feet. Oh my God, I love him. This guy's good too. I like him a little bit less. I do like him actually. All right.
It's kind of brutal. It's like run as fast as you can and still not make a wave. Johnny's gonna come down right as we're walking up. Mini choku.
How'd you do?
It's fun. My thing's dead.
There's the rain.
But I did get a few. Oh! That was the fang right there.
That was
one
crazy.
Wow, Johnny shows up and you guys are out here.
You got it all to
You
yourself.
brought the wrong.
Hey, locals only.
Have fun, buddy.
Hi there, guys.
Yeah.
Zach had a really fun skim session this morning, right, Zach?
I might have caught one.
I think you did great.
I think I got one maybe.
Look at him. Thinks he's a filmer. It's like a kid on Christmas.
Freaking kind of firing.
Is it pumping?
It's like, I looked at an hour ago with Zach and we're like, oh, it's bad. Came back 40 minutes later and it was like bigger, probably double the size than it was earlier.
Oh my gosh.
Check this one out.
It is pretty huge.
Shh. Look at this thing. Wait.
Oh,
my.
what?
The lighting's kind of sick, like looking into it.
It looks so pretty.
It's all green.
Yeah.
Look at this pelican. It had like something hanging off its thing. I was all distracted by the pelican and then, what has it got there? It's got like a big gobbler.
A gobbler?
Look at that thing, dude. It's a turkey pelican.
Oh, look at this.
Look at this one. Oh, Zachy. Oh my.
You're out there.
It's go time.
Just back for the bonus session.
I'm actually skimboarding right now.
Nice.
Not falling.
Yeah, no.
Getting a couple.
You got like waves.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see looking this way.
It is. No. Oh.
Hoping a cider would come alive.
No.
We'll probably get a green flag.
Easy, cowboy.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
The wrong lens for my green flag. Oh!
Oh. Denied.
Having a little bit of a struggle out here.
Yeah, ball.
Yeah, Paul. Paul, moonwalk.
I can do that.
Yes.
Oh, I can flip.
I'm sure he would get plenty of very simple.
Zach!
Can't count it.
Oh, it was still good. The pre-wave claim, you're like, this is my clip. Everybody go! Oh, Polly. Polly was the champion there. Morgan, did you get that? Dude, you're ripped.
I guess I roll. See you, Blair. I waited like 20 minutes for the last wave, and Zach's gonna take it from me right now.
Go, Zach, go!
Oh my. Yeah, Zach. Payoff right there. It kind of just stopped braking. The tide got too hot. Oh. Maybe. No.
Nope.
It's go time.
Oh, just one for the road.